Want to add a photo to the text in your design? All you'll need to do is start with a design template and then come on over here to the left-hand side toolbar and click Text. From here, we're going to click Add Photo Text, and this will drop photo text right into your artboard. Then you can write in your message and replace the original one. Now, if you click on your photo text, in the top menu you'll see an image icon, and next to it an arrow. Go ahead and click that. Two options are going to pop up. 1, replace mask, and 2, adjust mask. Mask basically means the photo in your text. So, let's click replace mask. That automatically opens up our image toolbar with thousands of stock images to choose from. You can even choose from different sources right here in our down arrow button. I'm just going to put in sweaters for my text. So I just select a photo and it drops right into my photo text. If I want to adjust which part of the photo is showing in the text, I'll click Adjust Mask and drag the image to where I would like it to be shown. Click this check mark to apply that mask, and there you go, a message that stands out. For more videos full of tips and tricks for design, sign up at simplified.co. See you there.